So today we're going to be copying a Euphoria setup. It's when Rue sees Jules at the party in season 2, episode 1. We are recreating this lighting setup, and honestly, pretty close. It's not exact, but it's pretty close for what we're using. And I'm about to show you the setup. It's very ghetto right now, you know what I'm saying? I had to rig a couple things. So the first thing that I rigged is this ring light. I put some, it's called CTO. So I basically put some of that over here to make the light come out yellow. And then I tore a hole in it to put my camera lens in. And one thing we are also using to kind of get that soft texture is this. This is called a Black Pro Mist filter. And it gives me that soft skin tones and those highlights that you see inside the video that we're about to see it. So other light that I have is right behind me. It's a very harsh light. There's no diffusion on it. It's the VL150 and it's just shooting directly behind me. That's what's giving me that backlight. And I just added some green to this back wall to give me some color. So as you see, it's a really simple setup. Okay, here's that jank setup again. And the only thing that I did to do that lighting change was this. I'm literally just changing it myself.